a lot of positive feedback. But everyone knew it was going to get bigger and better, and that's exactly what happened in year two. Year two, we had in excess of what was it, 2,000, John? I can't remember the number, but 1,800.
Which
Sorry, second year was 1,200, right?
Two.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, year two was 1,200, 60 plus exhibitors. We had a content session. We had Sandy Monroe be our keynote. We had other cool YouTubers show up and influencers. And so that also was a cool event, just bigger and better. We had 30 plus show cars, customized Teslas. We had a contest for the best customized Tesla. We also had a showcase for cars, other cool cars that didn't want to participate in a contest. They just want to show off the cool wrap. And so we had another set of 30 cars there. So that was the second annual. And then we just finished in July our third annual Tesla Takeover, which is the biggest and baddest of them all. We had crazy number. What was it? A final number we said 2,000? 2,000.
Yeah, it
right?
was like 2,200 when you include kids. We sold about like 1,800 and 1,850 adult tickets.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. But that's it. That number doesn't include all the staff and all the exhibitors and their staff and then children. And there were a lot of kids there. So yeah, it was about 2,200 all in. So that was just an eye opener. And that the feedback from that event was pretty obscene. It was people used the word magical, right? I mean, the people's minds were blown. They couldn't realize, they couldn't fathom how big the event was. So basically, Friday night we had two pre-events. We had a Central Coast ride and drive. So we had over 100 cars just show up to participate in the ride and drive. Just a scenic drive up the coast, Highway 1, and then up into the mountains. We had to pull it off to the side of the road, just appreciate this $1 million view. So that was awesome. And if that wasn't enough, then at 9 p.m. we had the light show, the Tesla synchronized light show, which John talked about. And so again, we had 172 cars in the in the pattern of a Cybertruck. And that was all managed by the Tesla Club Austria guys and the Darren from Singapore, and then Light Show IO guy from Simon from Light Show IO came from the UK. So that was a really cool event, all synchronized to the same music. I've got a feeling from the Black Eyed Peas, right? And
Nice.
Final Countdown was the other song. So you'll see the video. It's pretty epic.